No.
Ainsley, do you have the hiccups, Ainsley?
No.
Ask your dad.
Daddy, do you know we hiccups? Do you know we hiccups?
What?
Do you know we hiccups?